Welcome back. I think that's crooked, but whatever. We got a lot going on the table right now, so I'm gonna come around and do these unmoldings. Of course, we're starting with the hardest one first. I'm so glad this came out smooth. That's first and foremost, because the other ones, I touch them and they're not as smooth. Like, they're smooth enough, but y'all know I'm kind of borderline like OCD perfectionist, whatever. But it's not bad enough for me to be like, I gotta do another layer. They're pretty smooth. Oh, come on. Try not to dig off any more of my cuticles. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm trying also not to tear this. Oh, come on. And y'all already know what these are, so like, it's just seeing how they came out where we're at right now, because y'all been looking at them on the table for the past Lord knows how many unmoldings. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that torn? That looked like it's here, not true. Can't be doing too much. Yep, it's definitely torn because there's a little dimple, well, not dimple, a little protrusion here. It's not torn enough for it to seep out, so that's good, but still not okay. All right, where can I plop this? Oh, I forgot I actually have another. I got more stuff to add to the unmoldings. Is that everything? Because I have a brand new market tomorrow. Oh, I didn't notice this, but either way, that looks pretty cool though, no? Yeah? All right, so gotta catch them all. That was so lame. All right, let's start with these. Okay, this looks coolish. This looks like, this looks so cool. Okay. I'm doing the ones that feel a little bit rough first, because I need to see how they came out on the other side. Oh, this one looks good. Could have been a little darker on this side, but pretty good though. I need to stop dropping the damn resin that I peel off on the floor. I mean, it doesn't really make a difference because the resin that comes off the container, the molds, when I unmold it, falls to the floor anyways. This is like, okay, we're getting warmer. We're getting more, because this one is like, you know, yeah. And then we're getting warmer. Okay, no, not that one. Okay, so yeah, this one. Oh, I think this is the closest one so far. Is this gonna be the one? Because this looks pretty darn close. They have the line all the way through, our circle and our button. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, this one's also kind of lean, but still. Listen, they're not supposed to be identical, okay? The intention is never for all of the coasters that I make to be identical. They're all going to be a little bit different. Right? I love this. Okay, next one. And of course I had to do all these layers, so they're thicker than the other ones, so it's gonna come up a little bit over the what you call it. Yeah, it's because they have, and here we are. Okay, so damn, what? Okay, this one, not too bad. It has like a little, what you call it, on the side there, but not too bad. All right. And then this one, that one, they're like faded off bad. Put that one on top. And then this one's pretty accurate. It's pretty much almost centered. This just lean a little bit. This one's probably the closest match. I don't know what this little, what you call it, is down there, but that's probably the closest match. This one's off center too, but yeah, I'm here for this. Yeah, that one, yeah. Okay. I think I might have to do 4 of those. I think I'm gonna keep one of these for myself, if we're being honest, because it's not gonna close. Like, it's not gonna close. It's not gonna go. It doesn't stay because they're like some thick girls. Thick. Thick. You see it better on this side. They're thick, you know? So, I love this though. I fucking did that. Time, patience. All right, which one else I'm gonna do? I don't know if I want to take these out because I'm gonna let these stay, and I'm gonna do the holder. I'll do this one because it was first. Oh, this is gorge. Every time I say gorge, I think it's Lula Gorge, but this is gorgeous. It's giving kind of like oceany, you know, with like the white, like, yeah. That's crazy how there's like barely any on the purple side. Like, what's that about? But yeah, love it. Yeah. And then of course, ooh. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah. Yes, I did. I just wanted to see how it would come out. And I'm so glad I did what I did. I like dipped them in resin before I plopped them on. So yeah, because when I learned from when I did the ashtrays, they would like slip and slide, or like I need to do an extra layer, but whatever. Anyways, just know I learned and did it different this time. But yeah, we got DBZ incense holder, this pretty incense holder that I low-key want to keep for myself, and Pokemon ashtray set, ashtray coaster set. Bring my fish back around. Yes, it's late. Yes, I'm tired, but these are so gorgeous. Like, I'm so happy with how these came out. They're so pretty. Like, yeah, I think I am gonna end up keeping the one of these though, because it doesn't, well, no, it kind of fits on one side. Some of them lean, okay, because some of them have like textured bottoms, not like a cellulite, you know, a couple dimple, but yeah, this one's like smooth. Yeah, them two, yeah, them smooth. This one look a little roughish. That one, yeah, not as rough. And that one, yeah, too. Like, they're, honestly, 3 of them can go on still. But no, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna put them. Oh, wow. I am so sorry. Yeah, okay, so I'm tired. Party done. Oh, and I did the last layer on this, so this is how this came out looking. Love it. That's all I got. Yeah, I think I unmolded everything that was in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and yeah, I think that's it. Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.